Hey everybody, thanks for joining me for another video. I haven't been on in quite a while, so let's get straight down to business. So I've been having a little bit of trouble on LinkedIn with my display campaigns. What's happening is that LinkedIn keeps pushing the highest converting creatives that I have. So I'm running one ad, I have 4 different creatives, and one of them kind of surpasses the others in terms of clicks for a few days, and then all of a sudden LinkedIn is only pushing that one because it gets more and more clicks. And what I found is that it's a very hard little setting to find in order to have your LinkedIn creatives surface evenly in an ad. So let's get straight down to business. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm on my campaign dashboard here. I should have a few things blurred out. I'm going to click on my campaign inside the campaign group area. So basically what I do is I click on the campaign to go into it. I don't click on the actual campaign to go into the ads. It's not a setting in the ads, it's a setting in the campaign. So I just go down to edit. I open up my campaign where obviously you put your creatives, you put your audience, all of that kind of stuff in there. Go all the way down to your sponsored content. That's where you are inputting everything. And this is where your creatives are usually. Some I've turned off, some I've turned on. Now, this is the page you actually do it on. So in order to surface all of your display ads evenly and get them even impressions so you can really test for as long as you want which creatives are best, you just go up to the very top here, and you may have never noticed it before. I know I didn't, it took me long enough. There's a little settings icon here, a little gear icon. Click on that. Now I have mine set already, but usually it's set on optimize for performance, which is recommended by LinkedIn. So what I do is I always just rotate my ads evenly. Now, after I do that for a while, sometimes I switch it back to optimize because LinkedIn will then have the signals after a longer amount of time, which is actually the right creative to push. So I set it to rotate my ads evenly. I go back through all of my campaigns and make sure it's done as well, and then I just press save and exit, and that's how you do it. Any questions, drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe.